Hey guys, what's up everybody? Yo boy gets here. Yeah, you guys already know what this is. It's a fidget spinner. This one is glow in the dark here. It's a green, red, and black one. And today I'll be doing fidget spinner versus space. This one does not glow in the dark and it's red, orange, and black. Okay, here we go. Ow, that one actually hurt. Now we try this one. That one hurt more. Okay. I do these dumb things for YouTube. Because I'm dumb, I'm savage like that. Okay, no. It didn't do anything to my phone. Not even a scratch. Oh wait, actually, it cracked my phone. Yo, it literally cracked it. Yo. Okay. Fidget spinner versus ear. Hey guys, go like and subscribe this video. Let's try to get to 10 likes and peace.